Hi everyone, um, welcome to another video of making Hearthmate, and today we're going to continue to work on random stuff. So first thing I have in mind is disable the save button by default. It should only be enabled when a class is selected, otherwise we'll have problems. So I'm going to create a delegate for this class selection view that we created on camera, and so that I can notify the whoever the delegate is that a selection is made. Add a delegate. So we expect the delegate to have this method, and then we will call it when we find out which one is collected. So if I run it right now, it should at least build. Oh, so the delegate should be an optional, and then we can make this an optional state, well, optional invocation. What about now? Oh, so the selected index is optional as well. How is that possible? No. Huh. Okay. So here, oh wait, the picker controller already have a delegate? What? What's going on? Oh, that's the date. Wow. So I'm going to declare this class one of those delegates. And then I'm going to implement the delegate method we just defined. So this will be our opportunity to update the UI where we actually enable the save button. Let me see if I have a save button here. Looks like I do not. So I need to make that connection. It's not letting me. I don't know why. All right. Oh, that's because I have a syntax error here. Interesting. Okay, connection is established. So here we can simply say, oh, save button. Save button enabled equals true. And that should be it. Let's see what we got. Disabled, enabled. I like it. By the way, if you notice anything different from this video, that is because I made a few changes. I'm still fairly new to this recording stuff, and ideally, in order for me to keep doing this, I need to have as little friction as possible. And I just bought a new software that I think records in a lower frame rate, and so that makes my machine much faster. I am going to I still don't like the my what sound my microphone picks up. I think I need something called a pop filter and actually a really better microphone as opposed to this head mount thingy. Also, I'm trying, as I said, mentioned a moment ago, I, I, I'm trying to make these as raw as possible because that will reduce the friction of me making more of these. Otherwise, what I have been doing so far is basically edit a whole bunch of stuff. So every time I record something, I have to go back and edit the entire thing. And you might have noticed I made some like fast forward 4 times, 2 times with chipmunk noises in the past 2 or 3 videos. I would like to not do that. Part of the reason I did that is because I used QuickTime to record my video, my screen before, and that significantly slowed down my machine, and I have to wait around, and it's really frustrating. It kind of slows my mind down. Now that I have this new software, I think things have improved, and therefore hopefully I can work somewhat close to my normal speed and uh, thus reduce the necessity for editing, and you can uh, basically that's for my own benefit and for yours in the long term. I will keep this as raw as I can. So for the next bit, I am going to attempt to improve our UI yet again. If you remember, before I had these dots, we actually had numbers, and when basically I really don't like this grid look. It helps with the time when there's only a few dots like right now, and kind of filled up the void. But I still don't like the grid. I just don't like it. um, when we had numbers, we had like just zero empty set symbol as a placeholder when the number is actually zero, and that kind of those symbols kind of played the role of the grid in the sense that it helps you place the numbers. If without it, our numbers kind of feel like it's scattered around. You can't see the grid at all. But with a placeholder, uh, the grid actually shows. So I am going to change up the UI by first hide this grid. That's simple. Make this white. I think that'll make the grid hide. Hey, that rhymed. Sorry. And then for this particular class, arena report stat cell. Oh, by the way, I should commit the previous changes. Okay. So here we are. We have deed set, and what we need to do is treat the value 0 specially. So I want to change these, and basically I want a sort of a minimal uh, radius as opposed to 0 when in this case I think the color would be different as well. I'm just gonna say maybe like a gray color. This is one of the color that I predefined, and the rest be the same. Of course, CG color. Alright, that's wrong. So if skill is 0, we have our circle color and regular radius. Wait, skill? Wait, not skill. I should do. Wait, it should be skill. Why is these the placeholder circle we wanted? Not the other way around. If it is 0. Oh, of course I got it backward. There's only one possibility that's wrong. And I did it. Great. So hopefully this will make our give us a sense, the feel of a grid. That's what I'm hoping for. Yeah, I mean, mm, let me try a few more things. So this will give us the opportunity to actually give this cell some color. What color would I like to give these headers? Let's tweak it. We have red here and blue here. Um, I have three main colors. Well, three kind of fixed colors for the entire app, and then a few more. And we can basically reuse them. As you can see, they're here, these colors. And then this is the theme color. I can try to use the yellow one as let's try it. Why not? I hope when the letters, well, the numbers are red in the non-victory view, it'll look fine in contrast with this yellow. I'll probably tweak this a whole lot off camera. Oh man, that is wrong. What happened? Why you no color? I must have set the background of the color somewhere. Yeah, I remember now. I actually set it here. Yeah, white color when, no, not here. Wall display cell. Yeah, that's it. So in order to not do that, I need to basically do this again. Coordinates. So if these are 0, I'm gonna simply return. By default though, I'm going to set the color. That will make things better, make the view respect our settings, sort of, our storyboard. What if I set it to the theme color? We have a theme color, right? Okay. So basically, this is my process. I just keep tweaking it until it looks, pleasing to my eyes, and I just have to trust my own taste. Of course, the text now is all wrong. Oh, well, I feel like I don't like these dots. Wait, where's my text? Where did it go? Did I not save? Is that why? Yeah, I didn't save. I'm still getting used to this using Vim to edit. This is even in my work. I just started using it. Yeah, here's the text. Um, you know what? I'm gonna keep this for now, and probably will tweak it again in the future.